Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning fun and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature for 2025: how to turn on or enable dark mode on Windows. If you're tired of bright screens straining your eyes, especially during late-night sessions, dark mode is your new best friend. It not only reduces eye fatigue but also helps save battery life on laptops and devices with OLED displays. Plus, it gives your interface a sleek, modern look. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're on the latest version of Windows, probably Windows 12 or the 2025 update, to follow along seamlessly. To begin, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, search for Settings and open the app. It's that simple. Once you're in Settings, look for the Personalization option. This is usually one of the first categories you'll see. Click on it, and then navigate to the Colors tab on the left side. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Choose Your Mode, or something similar. Select Dark from the options, and voila, your Windows interface will switch to dark mode almost instantly. If you're using a customized theme or have third-party apps that override system settings, you might need to restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. Also, remember that some apps might not support dark mode yet, so they could still appear in light mode. But don't worry. Most Microsoft apps, like Edge and File Explorer, will adapt right away. There you have it. That's all it takes to enable dark mode on Windows in 2025. It's a quick change that can make a big difference in your daily computing experience. If you run into any issues, double-check your Windows version or head to the Microsoft support page for more help. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.